Almost got it. Just gotta get that sad part. I think I'm gonna keep this far back like that. Give us a lot of room. Okay, getting my seat bolts in. I took a 3-inch, trying to get this. My son at the top, trying to screw in. So we're working together. My oldest son, and my youngest son. Say hey, Matthew.
Hey.
We're getting it in. He helped me find a hole earlier today. Now we just gotta find the other hole. Okay. Now I got a lock nut and then a grade A 8 washer, and then on the top I got another washer and lock nut, and that should keep it nice and tight. And we're gonna have another one right here to keep it in. Okay. I'm gonna record it, Shay. Hold. You gotta hold it sideways so it back. You got it tight?
And we're going to Shady. There we go. Is that good guy? It's the Shady guy. That is my dad's oldest son. Say hey, Shay.
What up?
I'm using like the socket on the socket wrench to hold in the nuts on top of like something to make
Yeah.
guys. My
Easy. Where the other piece at? The other wrench? It ain't going. Nope. Alright. Now we gotta do this. Okay, you turn it off there. That next hole.
And that's the end.
Alright.
Where is it?
Bye, friends. And we're back.
Alright, we gotta try to get this
yeah.
part.
Yeah, see, we have to put in the other nuts. He said the car seats to keep it down, but behind the car seats.
The problem is bit so long, you can get a good angle.
Let's have a closer look inside the main staples.
Hold this screwdriver on top. Put this nut in here. And when I say put it on top, hold it on top. Make sure you listen to me, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let's stick to the hole.
Hold it. Now, come on.
On top of that hole you just made.
Put that in there. Now put that screwdriver with the bit on there on top of the car seats. Yes, like that.
Dang, you keep shaking.
Okay.
Can you put it through?
Good job, guys.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, let me get my.
That's real. Okay, so we know that car seat is locked in. We got to worry about that.
Now, this is the scary part. This is the part that's. You got the camera? This is the part that's on my nightmares. You gotta find the hole. Okay, I see it. Now, just to let you know, this that middle, what they call it, the drivetrain. Here's my muffler, and it's on the right above the gas tank. Where that hole at? Just give you an idea how you gotta reach it. So let's see if I can get to it. All right, hold on, wait. My son getting jealous. All right, hold on, wait. I'm gonna have you do it a little bit more. You put that in yourself, Matthew?
Yeah.
Good job. Hold on, wait. Okay. Good. All right. Hold on, wait. Do it just a little bit. Yep. All right, there you go. And guess what? We all done. So you can reach under there for people that's wondering, because I didn't know. You can reach under there and not hit the gas tank. This is the gas tank. You just gotta crawl under that bad boy. That's the other boat. This is me dangerously under a 5-ton car. Hope it doesn't smash me, because I will die. All right, hit ticket. God bless.
Done.
What'd you say?
Now we got the seats done. Now
Yeah.
we can take a test drive.
Ready to take a test drive?
Yep.
My seat kind of separated, my floor. But it's cool. What you just do, Matthew?
I just screwed when the bolt inside the ground. Inside the what?
So it ain't going nowhere.
Yep.
So it ain't going nowhere.
Nowhere.
Alright, our first ride. A month later.
Thrums with potential
Bunch of their cussies.